continuous progress in the agriculture sector since 2014. In 2014, we have given 24 lakh metric tons of rice to the FCI, but in the 2020-21 year, we have given 141 lakh metric tons. And we have also cultivated around 130 lakh acres in 2014, but whereas in the year 2020, it is almost crossed 203 lakh acres. So there is a continuous progress in the cultivation and also in the paddy cultivation and also paddy production. So in the last 7 years, nowhere in India it happened. We have given the free current, the qualitative free current to the 30 lakh pump sets, which never happened in the past and also which is not there even anywhere in India. First thing. Second, the support, the capital support to the farmers, 5,000 rupees per acre, 10,000 per annum is given by the only TRS government under the leadership of KCR, which is almost amounted to 50,000 crores. Nowhere in India it happened. So with these supports, we are able to increase our production and also cultivation almost cent percentage from 2014 to now. So it is the great progress we have achieved. This is only due to the activity or the thoughts